Alright, just got myself breakfast. Gonna head off now to Nacpan Beach. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, it's about a 40-minute drive. So, hired a scooter and we're gonna go. I finally made it to Nacpan Beach. It's actually such a nice beach, probably the nicest beach I've ever been on. White sand, sun, load of palm trees, lovely water. Definitely gonna be staying here for a while. But that didn't work. Oh, this is so good, honestly. It's unreal. I literally had a life-peaking moment when I was in the water, just literally floating, just staring at all the palm trees and like being in the sun. This is definitely the nicest beach I've ever been to. It's actually so nice. The sand is like warm and not, I don't know, just perfect sand. Oh, so cool. Right, I've decided to leave this beach because there's a beach close where you can do some surfing, and I really want to do some surfing again after only doing it once in Siargao. So yeah, it's about another half an hour drive from here. So I'm heading off now, gonna do some surfing. Look at all the bikes here, by the way. Literally, these countries are just motorbike central. Everyone just hires a scooter, just does their own thing. It's like the coolest thing in the world. Like literally, when I get back to England, I want to buy a motorbike. Literally, I've never driven a motorbike before until coming out here, and now I just love it. It's my favourite thing to do. So yeah, anyway, off now to the next beach to do some surfing. Right, I made it to the beach, but it doesn't really feel like it's a busy public beach, as there's only about 5 motorbikes parked up in the parking area, but I guess we'll find out. Also, just on the way here, it's so cool just driving through the Philippines, man. Like, I see about 10 different animals. I saw a rooster, pig, cows, sheep, goats. Like, it's so cool. I love it. Just seeing the wildlife and all the scenery is absolutely insane. But yeah, let's head to the beach now, see if we can hire a surfboard and give that a go. If not, I'll go back to the other beach because that other beach was really nice. Remote access. Yeah, I feel like I've gone through a hotel. Oh well. It turns out, yes, a private hotel, and they just tried to charge me 1,000 pesos to go through. So I've got to go back on the road now and find the public road. Looks like a nice place though, but probably really expensive considering they just tried to charge me 1,000 pesos. Oh well, we'll head back on the bike and find the main entrance. Hey. Go say hello. Hello, my G. Hello. Oh, he's run away. Hello. Hello. Right, I made it. Definitely the right place. Oh, life feels so good right now. Just drinking beers on the beach, about to go surfing. My life is peaking right now. It's just insane. Literally, I'm about to go surfing. Look. People surfing over there. I can easily get used to this life. Oh, so good.